Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan to use my Hey Girl kit. This is the kit I'm showing you right here. This is going to be a voiceover. My kids are going bonkers, and so yeah, which is much better that I did a voiceover. Anyway, so this is my Hey Girl kit. I'm going to be using it to plan the week of April 22nd to the 28th. Those are the full boxes, which I foiled using rose gold foil. Those are the full box checklists. And these are the date covers that are full and your extra full boxes, weekly checklist, washi, and habit trackers. And at this point, I'm just running through the kit showing y'all that. See, bottom washi, it is full as well. I absolutely love the way this kit turned out. I'm so excited to use it. This is kind of the page with your script headers and your icons. The larger icons are full, and then the text headers. That space was like the more little things, script text, and that page isn't full at all. I thought that the full one would clash with the little colorful icons. So and then this is a page with your functional items, glitter headers, and I made myself a little Adventures in-game stickers since it was coming out that week. And yeah, I'm super excited about those stickers. So I have one to use in this spread and one to use in the spread for next week, or for this past week when I actually saw the movie. So I think I was just kind of chit-chatting about that. But next we're going to move on to the sidebar, and I'm going to put on this week's sticker. Again, as a reminder, this kit is a misfit kit. So yeah, this putting down the date covers kind of speeding through that. And I did for, like I said, I did for the date covers, and I missed, like when I was designing the kit, I like did the cut lines wrong for the date covers. Everything is all well now, but they kind of overlapped a little bit. You can't really tell on camera, but I could definitely tell in person. But that's why I always do test prints of my kits so that I can get a feel for them and perfect them and make sure they're good before I send them out to you all. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who has visited, stopped by the shop. Thank you so much for your support. It's so motivating, and I'm just so thankful and so happy. So thank you again. So I'm just continuing to place down the date covers, and I did a kind of watercolory kind of swatch with like a pattern from the kit. And I just love the fact that it's all foiled and rose gold at that. So this particular plan with me, of course, I'm using my B6 rings, and these are my week on 3 page. And right here, I'm just putting down the glitter headers. Again, as I was saying, this plan with me is to use my week on 3 pages inserts, and they're available in my shop. I'll link them down below as always. And I really love these inserts. They are just at complete planner piece with B6 rings. So these are my weekly inserts in which I plan Monday through Sunday, since I can keep the weekend together. As I have said before in videos, if I'm going to do my daily planning, then I will do Sunday to Saturday. So, and I have daily inserts that I reference throughout the plan with me, so that's how I keep track of everything. So right here, I'm just putting down my date dots, and again, they are foiled as well. Again, these are misfits, so when you purchase a kit, yours will be, centered and perfect and all that. And I have avoided bringing foil to my shop for a long time, but foil is just here to stay. It's not going anywhere, so might as well get on things and stay with the no and the now. So again, that's why I plan Monday through Sunday, because I want to keep my weekends together. So I'm back on the first page of the insert, doing the sidebar. So I just did a glitter header, and then for whatever reason I put down the wrong box. I put down an unfold version, but you'll kind of see in the next clip that I had corrected it. So, well, not quite yet, but you'll see in like a little bit. I'll let y'all know when, and you'll be able to see that it's foil. So I'll just fill in my habit tracker with some washi from the kit. And yeah, so, and then doing a weekly to-do list right there. And I should have put down like a little whatever I was going to be tracking for that week. Honestly, I don't know. Right here, I was going to put down a little to-do script header with a little 3 heart ombre checklist sticker. So I didn't have really a lot going on. Next, I'll put down this gorgeous full box that is full with the little hand, a fancy label that was for Aunt Flo coming in town. So that was great. And then I did a film edit and upload sticker. And I think it was probably like one of the plans meets that I posted, probably the B6 rings one. Or if it actually wasn't B6 rings, it was probably one of the budget ones. And I was just filling in my little things for my TV shows, which I think for that day I watched 911 and The Fix. So yeah, I was super stoked. This week a new Endgame was coming out, which I did see this past week. Not gonna spoil it for y'all, so I'll get back into talk about what was going on. So I put down that full box a thicker piece of washi, and then that half box. That half box was for my son's. That was for his school choice paper I had to turn in, and then those little things TVs were for the bold type and for Blackish. So I just wanted to know because we basically in that fancy label was for, I think it was for laundry. So I put a little Kiss Cut icon there, and then on Wednesday I put down a little Today sticker. And those half boxes, or rather quarter boxes, that was for a PO drop for orders. And then next you'll see me put down a sticker, a piece of washi, and then I put down a sticker for another quarter box for designing. And I had been working on logo concepts, so you'll see even on the previous page, I had been working on some logo concepts. But a little full box that is also, because all the full boxes were foil. I put a little makeup brush, piece of washi, then another film edit and upload sticker. And let's see, what else was I doing for that day? I think I was kind of thinking through, and I was filling in my little things. So that was for Empire and for Star, since that was Wednesday. And I'm trying to think, what else do I watch on Wednesdays? I don't know. I don't know why I had three of them. It's Empire, Star, and typically those are the only two that I watch. So can't remember right now. If I remember, I'll let y'all know. Anyway, moving on to Thursday, I put down that full box, one of my favorite of the kit, a little to-do script header, ombre heart checklist, a like 6-1, a half box, a film edit and upload sticker. The half box was for, I think my son had this little Easter party that day, so I believe that half box was for denoting that. So for Friday, I put down a little to-do script tags, a piece of washi, and then a new releases sticker because there were new releases that week. And I just kind of layered that in between two of the yellow washi's from the kit. And I put down that really pretty girl, my by far like that sticker and the one next to it, and then you'll see the one with the milkshake. Those are my favorite. And I put down the 6 heart ombre heart checklist box, flipping over to Saturday. And that is one of my favorite. That's that full box right there. So I put that full box down. I put a thicker piece of washi down because I didn't really have a lot going on that day. So I put down the little today sticker. I think that's probably just mostly for like designing and like designing like a movie day and things like that. So right here you'll see me basically just go back and put some little icons in. I'll put that little Kiss Cut trash can in for trash day. I put that in. Oh, that was for me filling in my budget, and then that was for me designing the asterisk. So that was me marking Avengers Endgame. I just kind of skipped through it really quick because I was out of frame. So for Sunday, I was putting down my today sticker and then for faith and worship, and put down my little layered dot for the faith and worship, that really pretty little compact full box there. And yeah, I feel like there's parts that I'm like talking really fast on, and there's other parts that I'm like, I don't really have anything else to say. And then I put down that I think I was either designing or finalizing my logo concept for that. If you want to see the written in version, you can definitely check out my Instagram. That's where I always post the after the pen. So those are for Real Housewives and then Married to Medicine. It was the finale of Married to Medicine LA, then Housewives Reunion. And I think I did some more designing. Then I was showing my next week full box. I really like that full box too with the skate. A little glitter, piece of washi there. And then I always pop over and do the extra full box in my gratitude. And then you'll see me pop back over to do all my bill due stickers at this point. And I'm glad that I had some white space left in the kit because I totally forgot about the bill due stickers while I was putting out all the other stickers in the kit. So you'll just see me putting in all of those. And then, yeah, I think that was the last one I had to put in. So then I was flipping back over to the to-do list for the next week's sidebar, putting down to-do list, a little thicker piece, like kind of a standard piece of washi. And then right here I was doing my bottom washi. I just kept it pretty simple. I used just the straight up donut washi. I didn't worry about trying to layer it. And you get like basically 2 for 6. You get like 6 strips of washi in the kit. They're split so that you can, use it like this and then layer it with other washi, or you can just use it together like how I pretty much did. And I was just using like a piece of mail. It's like one of those like thicker mailers. That's not my address. That was the address for that business, by the way. I wouldn't just have my address like all out there and that like that. Look at that Endgame sticker, y'all. Look at that Avengers Endgame sticker. I love it. It's like, I love it. So that's just me putting down the rest of the bottom wash. I was a little bit out of frame right there, but can we just still, again, appreciate that Endgame sticker? So yeah, so then you see me push up where I'm actually in frame. Geez Louise. I tell you, but this family was a hot mess. My kids were going bonkers, and I had to film when I felt like filming. So yeah, it's definitely required a voiceover. So right here, you just see me working on that final bottom washi for the weekend side of the insert for Saturday and Sunday. So I chose to use that like heart washi, and that was really really pretty too. And I just used a piece of glitter, a glitter strip of washi. And so, yeah, I try to keep the front side really consistent and I'll kind of switch it up on the back side. So that is like pretty much it. So you'll just see me flipping over, kind of reviewing the spread at this point. And yeah, guys, I love the way it turned out. That's kind of the entire spread again before the pen. And then right here, you just see me flipping over because I actually had to put in my weekend banner, and you see me kind of struggle busting the weekend banner, but I finally got it down. I had to do a little bit of sticker surgery. It was okay. I got it together at the end of the day, and it was really, that weekend banner is really, really pretty. It's kind of big, but it's really, really, really pretty. I had to kind of, like I said, a little sticker surgery, that piece back on, but I think it looks gorgeous at the top. I keep forgetting to use my washi flags from the kit and do a washi banner. So when I plan this week, that's one of the first things I'm going to be doing. Well, actually, I'll be back planning last week. So yeah, that's the whole spread, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you like it. Please follow me over on IG for real-time updates, and all the links will be below in the description bar for the kit and for the inserts. Again, you guys, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate your support. And please thumbs up if you like it, rate, comment, and subscribe.